In this video, I am going to show you how to configure the port forwarding in Opterna R1GWS Wi-Fi router. First, we need to log in the router using web browser. For this purpose, we require the IP address of router. For finding the IP address, we can use the ncpa.cpl command, then find the default router IP, then enter the IP address in web browser. Here it will ask the username and password. Enter the username and password. The default username and password is admin. If you have changed the username and password, you need to enter the changed username and password. For configuring the port forwarding, you need to select the services, then firewall. Under firewall, you are able to see port forwarding. Select the port forwarding. First, we need to enable the port forwarding, then press the apply changes button. Then only the port forwarding service will be active. Here you are able to see application. This is the default application port forwarding. If you want to use that one, you are able to use that. Otherwise, you can use the manual configuration. Here I am leaving that configuration. I am using the manual method. Then enter the comments. That means enter the name of configuration. Then local IP address, which is the server IP we are using for external access. We need to enter the local port from and local port to. That means beginning and ending of the ports. If you are having a series of ports, we need to enter the beginning and ending of that particular port number. Here I am using RDP, so I am entering 3389. Then select the protocol. You are able to see one is TCP, another one is UDP. If your protocol is TCP, we need to select the TCP option. If it is UDP, we need to select the UDP option. If it is both, we need to use both. In this purpose, it is TCP, so I am selecting TCP. Then enter the external port from and external port to. Here I am using the same port for external purpose also. Then select the interface. Here I am using any, then press the add button. Now our port forwarding is added. If you want to again one more port forwarding, we are able to add one more port forwarding. Now I have added the second port forwarding also. If you want to delete the selected port forwarding, you can delete, or you can use delete all option. That will delete all the port forwardings. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.